Welcome to Sled Check. I'm Dylan with Dennis Kirk, and on today's episode, we're going to be diving in, taking a look at tracks for your snowmobile. So we're going to be diving in, talking about tracks today, and a great place to start is right on the Dennis Kirk homepage, where here you'll be able to type in your make, model, year of your snowmobile and get some track options narrowed down for you. There are plenty of track options available, so how do you choose the right one? So as you've seen on our website, we have plenty of different options of tracks available. In front of me, we have 4 different tracks, so let's go ahead and find the track that's going to work best for your riding style. So first up on the table, we're taking a look at the Ripsaw trail track. Now this is going to be absolutely perfect for those of you guys who are riding in hard packed snow conditions or love cruising out on the trails. So let's go ahead and take a look at something that's going to be meant for a little bit deeper powder. Next up on the table, we're taking a look at the Ripsaw 2 track. Now this is going to be absolutely perfect for those of you who like to get off the trails just a little bit. Now we do have the same lug height as the last track that we talked about, 1 1/4 inch, but as you can see, the lugs on this are going to be much more defined all the way across and meant for scooping up a little bit more of that soft powder that you might find yourself in while out ditch banging. We still do have a little bit of that tapered edged corners, so it's not going to be super aggressive on the corners, but overall a fantastic option for those of you guys who like to ride a little bit more aggressive out on the trails. So continuing on with the Ripsaw track series, this is again the Ripsaw 2, meaning it's going to have the same lug pattern as the last one that we took a look at. However, we're going to start to get much more aggressive with these lugs as well, coming in at 1.5 inch lug height on this. Now, the tapering as well is going to start to get a little bit more aggressive, meaning that when we're out on the corners and trails, we're going to feel that a lot more in the trail. We're not going to slide quite as much. So this track is definitely going to be perfect for some of that deep powder backwoods riding that a lot of you guys like to do. Moving on over to the cross country track. Now this one's going to be a much more aggressive track overall. As we can see here on the lugs, we're going to be a much more aggressive taper overall, and we're going to have a much stronger lug height coming in right around 1 3/4 inch high. Now, this track is definitely going to be performing its best in deep snow, deep powder, some of that backcountry riding, and some gnarly ditches. That's where this thing's going to shine. Yes, you can ride it a little bit on the trails, but overall, it's definitely going to give you that aggressive feeling you're going to want out in the powder. One thing to keep in mind before you purchase your track is going to be clearance. This is extremely important. You want to make sure that you have enough room from the track to the bottom of the tunnel for your specific lug height of your choice. Now, if you are considering studs, you're going to want to give yourself a little bit extra room under there as well. But Dennis Kirk does offer pre-studded tracks as well as all of the tools and studs needed to make sure that you can get the job done yourself this riding season. That's going to do it for this episode of Sled Check. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to smash that like button, comment, share, and subscribe, and we'll see you guys in the next one.
Sound production, take 1.
Welcome to Sled Check. I'm Dylan with Dennis Kirk, and on today's episode, we're going to be taking a look at tracks. Screwed up on that. 1 3/4.
75 cents.
Yep. No, I'm gonna say that then. don't screw me up. They'll be like 70 coming in at 75 cents. This track's perfect for you out on the trails. Your track is to check your lug height. Oh my God, we dying. I don't know how that happened. Kind of go over what track specializes in each riding style, if that makes sense. It didn't make any sense though.